Welcome to The Bodybuilder's Guide to Safe and Effective Weight Loss. Losing body fat can be a challenging task, especially for bodybuilders who want to maintain their hard-earned muscle mass. In this video, we'll give you the tools you need to achieve your weight loss goals while still preserving your muscle mass. As a bodybuilder, your body requires specific nutrients to perform at its best. If you're not fueling your body with the right foods, you could be hindering your performance and making it harder to lose body fat. That's why it's essential to focus on proper nutrition when trying to lose weight. Here are some tips to help you get started. Eat a diet that is high in protein to help maintain your muscle mass. Protein is also important for keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Focus on consuming complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains and vegetables, to provide your body with the energy it needs for your workouts. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and electrolyte-rich fluids. Dehydration can lead to decreased performance and can make it harder to lose body fat. In addition to proper nutrition, targeted workouts can also help you lose body fat without sacrificing your muscle mass. Here are some exercises that can help. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, can help you burn calories and body fat while preserving your muscle mass. Strength training should be a priority to help maintain and even build muscle mass. Focus on compound movements such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses to maximize your muscle building potential. Cardiovascular exercise, such as cycling or rowing, can help you burn calories and improve your cardiovascular health. Finally, recovery techniques are crucial when it comes to weight loss and maintaining muscle mass. Here are some tips to help you recover properly. Get enough sleep to allow your body to repair and recover. Use foam rollers or massage therapy to relieve muscle soreness and prevent injury. Consider working with a sports medicine specialist to develop a recovery plan that's tailored to your specific needs and goals. That's it for The Bodybuilder's Guide to Safe and Effective Weight Loss. We hope you've learned some valuable tips and techniques that will help you reach your weight loss goals while still maintaining your muscle mass. Remember to focus on proper nutrition, targeted workouts, and recovery techniques to achieve the best results. That's it, the video on how to lose weight for bodybuilders. If you have any comment, then leave them below in comment section. Like and share with your friend. And also subscribe our channel for more updates like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.